जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AR Trainings Official. So today we are going to learn how to generate a 3D model with the help of AI, plus how you can import that model into your Blender scene to give it a final render. Okay, as AI is getting any type of 3D model simply by just typing a prompt. Okay, so whereas creating a 3D model from scratch can be a time consuming process, I think by using pre-built models as a starting point, a 3D artist can save time and they can focus on other aspects of projects such as lighting, texturing, and rendering, right? So without wasting your time, let's get started. Simply go to the Google and type slot.ai. Okay, and open the website. Now the first step is to sign up on the website just by giving your email address, and after that simply log into the website, same as on the other websites you do. Okay, click on create and then wait a while and then select object. Okay, as this website is a beta version and it contains multiple pre-built models of different categories which you can download as an OBJ and then later on tweak them according to your project or client requirements, right? There are multiple categories, like you can also scroll down, see more models. There are multiple categories like furniture, weapon, household, interior, and etc. Now the most important advantage of this website is you can edit your models within this website, plus you can play with multiple things like scale, rotate, dimension, and etc. Okay, it totally depends upon you how you can tweak your model in different ways. Once you play with these settings even more, you can have a better idea how to edit these pre-built models, right? Are you getting my points? Let's add some models to the scene. You can play with dimension, scale, rotate, move, plus the interior details of that mesh model in various ways. Okay, so there's no limit. You can tweak your models according to your scene, according to the client requirements or the project requirements. Okay. Once you are done with the editing, you can export that model as an OBJ. Okay, simply click on exports. At first select the model and then click on export and your OBJ file is ready to. Let's import that mesh object into Blender. So simply go to the file and import that OBJ file. Here it is, and it's boom. This is the power of AI, and I think in the next 5 years AI is taking the charge of the industry. It's my point of view, by the way. So that's all for today. I hope this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting informative tutorials are uploading very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks a bunch.